Hi everyone, it's me Yubraj Poudel. Today I am presenting my assessment research report based on the my previous project, which was online gaming player stars management system, which we developed in assessment 2 as a group project. This presentation focuses on the two emerging database technology, which is MongoDB and MariaDB in my case, and explains the proposed hybrid database architecture that I designed to improve the scalability and the performance in the modern gaming systems. Um, So online gaming system generates massive amount of data, including the gameplay stats, gameplay events, rankings, player stats. Uh, Traditional real-time databases work effectively for the smaller structured data, but they face scalability limitations when the amount of data uh, and users increases significantly. So the modern gaming environments also require the flexibility and the real-time processing capabilities. Because of these challenges, this report evaluates MongoDB and MariaDB and proposes an optimized database solution for the large-scale gaming systems. So, talking about our existing system, the online gaming player stats management system was developed in our assessment 2 as a group project. This system used to use the MySQL as a backend database and then my MSX as a front-end interface and connected through an ODBC connector. This database manages the players, team matches, rankings, and gameplays. Database normalization up to the 3 was done to maintain the consistency and the data, reduce the redundancy of the database. So what issues were we facing? Moving on the database issues. So several issues were identified in the existing system. The first issue was scalability limitation because the relational databases mainly depend on the vertical scaling. So the second issue was performance bottlenecks that are caused by the multiple joint operations between the multiple tables. The system also faced the rigid schema design, real-time processing challenges, big data analytics limitations, and the reduced performance at the scale due to the increase of the user activities. Uh, so why the one of the emerging technology is MongoDB. So why I selected the MongoDB? MongoDB was selected because it is highly suitable for handling dynamic and continuing changing data. It is a NoSQL document-oriented database that supports horizontal scalability and then fast reading and write operations as well. Another important advantage is the flexible schema structure, which allows the gameplay updates or new player stats to be added without redesigning the database from the scratch. So because of these features, MongoDB is highly effective for the gameplay events, real-time analytics, and high-volume distributed gaming data. So the another technology I used was MariaDB. So why I selected MariaDB as another DB technology? So the MariaDB was selected because some gaming data requires the strong consistency and the reliable transaction processing. MariaDB is an advanced form of the relational database system and an improved version of the MySQL as well. It supports the ACID properties, which ensure the accuracy and the security of the transactions. This is especially important for the sensitive data such as the player account details, rankings, authentication, and in-game purchases. MariaDB also supports the SQL reporting and structured relationship management very effectively. So the purpose hybrid solution of in my system is like this. So here the diagram shows the purpose hybrid database architecture for the online gaming player stars management system, where the user can access the gaming platform through the gaming applications. The application server processes the requests and routes the data to the appropriate databases. Where the MongoDB stores the dynamic data such as gameplay events and the player stats, while the MariaDB stores the structured transaction data such as accounts and purchases. The data synchronization maintains the consistency between the both databases, while the report analytics and backend system is very important for the analytics and the reliability of the database. So talking about the trade-off analysis, every database technology has a strengths and weaknesses. MongoDB provides the high scalability, flexibility, due to the flexible schema design and fast time operations, but it sacrifices on some transactional consistency. Whereas the MariaDB provides a strong consistency, reliable data transactions, and structured data management, but it has a lower scalability in distributed environments. Therefore, the hybrid solution balances the strength of both technologies and provide an effective database solution. So, to conclude, the traditional relationship database system face several limitations in the modern gaming systems, especially due in the scalability and the real time processing. That's why the MongoDB improves the scalability and the flexibility, while the MariaDB improves the consistency and the transaction reliability. Therefore, the proposed hybrid database architecture provide the most balanced and effective solution for the most modern large-scale gaming environments. So these are the key references that I use in the report from the sources like IEEE, ACM, and few index journals. Thank you.